Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you well. Today my topic is Docker. I am going to show you, guide you how you can install Docker on the Linux CentOS in simple steps. So I have currently installed and created a virtual machine on which I have installed Linux CentOS 8.5, and I have accessed my machine SSH. These are some commands which we are going to use to install Docker. First of all, we are going to run the update command. The machine is already updated. Now we are going to run these commands to install the Docker. I have run this command to install some utils, and now going to add this repo. The repo has been successfully added. Okay, we have got into the error. For this error I have find something, and I am going to run these commands. Now again check for the utils dependencies for the Docker installation. Now we are going to add the repo again. The repo has been added. Now I am going to install the Docker, and the Docker installation has been started successfully. The download size for the Docker is 103 MB, and the installation size is 390 MB. It is going to download the packages first, and then it will install the packages. The installation process has been completed. Now I am going to start the Docker, and it has been started successful. Run this command to check the status. It is currently active and running. Now run this command to check it has been properly installed or not. Okay, the The Docker has been installed successful. Hello from Docker. This message shows that your installation appears to be working correctly. To generate this message, Docker took the following steps. The Docker client contacted the Docker daemon. The daemon pulled the hello world image from the Docker hub. The Docker daemon created a new container from that image which runs the executable that produce the output you are currently reading. The Docker daemon streamed that output to the Docker client which sent it to your terminal. So it looks like and it is installed successful and operational. This is how you can install Docker on your Linux CentOS in some simple steps. Hope you guys understood. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Please support me and my channel. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.